What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since I've made a video, and I understand. I didn't know what to make a video about, and it sucked, and I still haven't gotten my car back, and it's been almost a month. To give you guys an update, my car, I called the shop, and they just got the parts yesterday, which is Monday the 28th. My car has been at the shop since the 9th. Or the 8th actually, so it's gonna be almost a month and about a week, and it's been a long time. It's a brand new car, so it took a long time to get the parts. But today I will be doing an unboxing of my new PS4 Pro. I just picked it up from Best Buy. I had a white PlayStation 4. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm really excited. I traded mine in instead of selling it. It did have a little problem, but it's not that big, but it's okay. I was able to get a PS4 Pro, so enjoy. Alright guys, so we have your quick start guide, which I won't be needing today. But if you need to learn how to quick start your PS4, that's yours. And I'm assuming in here, it's the actual system. Unboxing all that just comes with, of course, your little knickknacks. Best place to play. I'm gonna start with the system, so let me do that. PlayStation. So of course it's going to come with your microphone right here that you connect to your DualShock 4 remote, which is here, brand new, your power cord, your USB cord to charge your remote, and of course the HDMI cable. I already have my setup good to go, so I'm not going to be using this or my USB or the microphone because I have my own headset. So these can go for now. What I am going to do, and I know I just got the PS4, is I am going to be upgrading the hard drive. I did have a 2 terabyte, which is sitting right here. I think it was the Samsung Seagate. It's a SATA 2 drive with 2 terabytes. My girlfriend got it for me as a gift. I think it was like 80 bucks. I had it in my original PlayStation 4 and it worked really well. I liked it a lot. I didn't really see any lag issues with loading times or anything like that, but you also have to remember PS4 can't spin at 7200 RPM or else you can pretty much get overheating issues. So I did not risk getting a 7200 RPM spinning disk, and I also didn't invest in a hybrid hard drive, which some people have, and they say they've experienced faster loading times during games and then faster loading times when you're saving a file or loading one up. So that's the one I use. I love it. It works well. So that's good. Alright, so the PlayStation 4 is upside down. Again, this is brand spanking new. So I believe you just remove that tape. I'm gonna put that to the side. And then this little thing here actually pops off. So I believe you just put a little force. There you go. And it pops right out. And you're gonna see your Phillips screw there. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew that. I'm gonna put that to the side. And then this just pulls right out. Brand new. And then this is the 1 terabyte hard drive it comes with. I'm going to be putting it in another storage unit, but you're going to see the 4 Phillips right on the sides. You're just going to unscrew those. Unscrewed all the screws. Once you do, you can actually just slide the hard drive right out. Comes right out. So I'm going to be keeping this. Like I said, I'm going to be using it as an extra storage. I'm just going to be installing the other drive, which is here. I'm going to place it exactly how it was, so it's going to be face down with the disc side facing up, and you're going to slide it in. There you go. And then you're just going to put all the screws right back into those slots. New hard drive is in. I'm going to just put it right back into the slot.
You don't want to tighten that too much.
I really like to pre-wire everything, and like I said, since my PS4 was already set up previously, all I did was take the HDMI off and the Ethernet cable and the optical cable that was plugged in for my headset, and I'm just going to plug in the power supply and we're good to go. So let's go ahead, set it up. Alright guys, everything is plugged in. My Ethernet cord, my optical, my HDMI, and the power supply. And I'm just going to plug that right in. That's good. Now, because I just got this, I do have to initialize it. So, I'm going to hold the power button for 7 seconds. Needed some light in here because it was a little dark. Christmas tree, fish tank, dogs. But, alright. I do have my PS4 paired up to a Sony 4K TV that I got last year at a really good deal because I used to work at Best Buy. So I got, I think it was like the second to last best tier for the Sony 4K at 55 inches. PS4 setup, I'm going to go ahead and initialize it. It's going to take probably in 20 to 30 minutes just to install the software. I do have my flash drive, so I'm just going to put that in. Okay, that's good. And I'm going to unplug this because I do need to plug in my PS4 remote in order to start everything up. Shiny. Alright guys, I did not know this, but the new DualShocks, they come with a little light bar at the top of the touch sensor or the touch bar, which is really cool. I wasn't aware of that. And we see here, I'm just going to go ahead and reinstall system software. Okay, there was nothing there to begin with, so you're gonna hit yes, and it's gonna initialize the PS4 and start the system software update. So I'm gonna let that sit there for a little bit. As you guys saw, that was super easy and simple, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's all I have for today. I will see you guys soon. Peace.